Привет.
Hello everyone. This is Securemme K50
K50.
series.
Серия K50. С инструментом идет
A
заготовка.
key blank is supplied with the tool.
Заготовка для удобства.
This is for the convenience of shaping the foil,
Потому что тут высокая
since there is a high rib here.
Форму делаем на заготовке.
We make the shape on the
Просто пальцем.
blank and then transfer it to the tool.
И тогда перекладываем на инструмент. Самое главное не помять
The
фольгу.
most important thing is not to wrinkle the foil, because once again I'm saying about a high rib here. The thing I noticed about the K50 is that if you put too much load on it, it goes into anti-picking and the foil just doesn't get into the desired pattern. So there is no point in pressing too hard. It won't open faster. We work with regular load, preferably in the up and down direction. Well, you can do it in this way as well, and up and down.
Фольга в основном 0,5. Готовая, либо 0,6.
Foil is used mainly 0.5 in sticks or 0.6. The price will be on the website, the link is under this video. Bye.
Телефоны, ссылки, все будет на видео.